Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn how to put together a flavorful vegetarian meal. Now what we've been learning throughout this course is how to be able to swap out certain ingredients to our traditional meals with things that are a little bit more nutritious, whether it's to lower the calorie content or the sugar or salt. What we have always tried to do is increase nutrient value. So what we are doing in this recipe, we've modified it by substituting the pasta with the zucchini. The zucchini is going to be able to increase your fiber content. It's also going to add more servings of vegetables to your meal, and we're eliminating the starch. Another thing I've also added to this recipe are chopped mushrooms. Chopped mushrooms bring in more of an umami flavor, which is a savory taste. And another thing that it adds is more of a meaty texture. So, at the end of the meal, or at the end of the video, I hope that you can enjoy this wonderful zucchini lasagna. Thank you.